earner ka, sinong magpa-file, si employer or ikaw as a freelancer. Discuss muna natin paano ba natin masasabing mixed income earner ka. Magiging mixed income earner ka kung meron kang, ayan nga, employer. Pag meron employer and employee relationship, tapos freelancer ka, and then syempre nag-register ka kay BIR as a freelancer. So pag nag-register ka, kailangan mo nang mag-file. Ang gagamitin mo doon sa filing mo is mixed income earner ang category mo. And then paano naman yung income mo sa employer mo? 'Di ba every January after the taxable year, for example ngayon, year 2023, January 2024, mare-receive mo na yung BIR form 2316 kay employer mo, yung certificate of compensation payment. Nandoon yung schedule, 'di ba, ng compensation mo, pati na rin yung deduction mo, at kung may binayaran ka man tax. Gagamitin mo yung information na yon, yung income mo, pagsasamahin mo sa yung freelancing income mo, tapos yung BIR form 2316, nandoon yung income mo sa employment mo, yun yung ipa-file mo sa annual ITR mo, at ulit, ikaw ang may responsibility sa pagpa-file mo. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.